Looking for a shampoo and conditioner that actually strengthens your hair while keeping it clean and hydrated? Mane and Tail Repair and Strengthen Shampoo Conditioner might be exactly what you need. This 20-ounce duo combines natural ingredients like cucumber and aloe with powerful vitamins to help your hair look and feel healthier every day. What sets this set apart is its formula free from sulfates, parabens, gluten, dye, and soy. That means no harsh chemicals stripping your hair of its natural oils. Instead, you get a gentle yet effective cleanse that respects your scalp and hair's natural balance. If you want a product that's both safe and effective, this fits the bill. I've noticed how the blend of biotin B7 and panthenol B5 promotes healthier hair growth. These ingredients work behind the scenes to strengthen your strands from root to tip, reducing breakage and supporting thicker hair over time. Plus, the hydrating mix of argan, coconut oil, and hyaluronate deeply nourishes dry or damaged hair, leaving it soft and manageable without feeling greasy. The addition of niacin helps replenish and fortify your hair's natural defenses. It's a subtle boost that makes a noticeable difference in hair texture and shine. What's more, this shampoo and conditioner set is vegan and made right here in the USA by a family-owned company that's been around since 1970, so you know it's crafted with care. If you're tired of shampoos that promise results but leave your hair feeling stripped or dull, this set offers a refreshing alternative. It's designed specifically for straight hair, but anyone wanting stronger, healthier locks can benefit. The gel formulas lather well and rinse clean, making your daily routines simple and enjoyable. Worth a look if you're serious about improving hair health without compromising on ingredient quality. The 20-ounce bottles last a good while, giving you plenty of time to see real changes. Whether your hair needs repair or just a strength boost, this duo covers both bases with a thoughtful blend of natural and scientifically backed ingredients. Try Mane and Tail Repair and Strengthen Shampoo Conditioner when you're ready to upgrade your hair care. It's a straightforward solution that delivers what it promises: stronger, hydrated hair that looks vibrant and feels resilient. With no sulfates or parabens weighing you down, it's a clean choice for everyday care.